Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best 4K dash cams of 2025. In this video, we meticulously examine the latest innovations in dash cam technology, ensuring you get the most reliable, high-resolution footage to capture every detail of your drive. We'll delve into the standout features, ease of use, and value for money of each model. Stay tuned till the end, where we'll reveal an unexpected feature that could revolutionize your driving experience and provide the ultimate peace of mind. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The THINKWARE ARC Dash Cam. This advanced device is designed to provide crystal clear footage and enhance your driving experience with its impressive features. Let's explore the standout aspects of this dash cam. The THINKWARE ARC Dash Cam records stunningly sharp 1440p footage from both the front and rear cameras. Powered by the robust Ambarella A12A75 CPU, it delivers accurate color balance and heightened contrast. Capture every detail on the road, ensuring clear and precise recordings day and night. The 2.7 inches LCD touchscreen offers a user-friendly interface. You can easily adjust settings, play back videos, and receive driver assistance safety alerts. The touchscreen ensures a seamless and convenient user experience, making it simple to manage your dashcam's features on the go. Stay informed with the included GPS antenna accessory. It provides speed and red light camera alerts and embeds GPS data, speed, time, and location into your video footage. Enhance your driving awareness and stay safe with real-time notifications about potential hazards on the road. Protect your footage with privacy lock mode. This feature restricts access solely to the vehicle owner through password protection, preventing unauthorized access. Securely safeguard your recordings and ensure your privacy with this innovative security measure. Don't miss important details in low light conditions. The Super Night Vision 2.0 enhances video brightness and reduces image noise, ensuring clear recordings even at night. Whether driving or parked, capture high-quality footage regardless of the lighting conditions. In conclusion, the THINKWARE ARC Dash Cam is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to enhance their driving experience and safety. With its 2K QHD footage, user-friendly touchscreen, safety alerts, privacy features, and night vision, it offers everything you need in a dash cam. Number 4. The Rove R2-4K Pro Dash Cam, a top-of-the-line device designed to provide crystal-clear recordings and smart features for your car. If you're looking to upgrade your driving experience, this dash cam has it all. Let's explore its standout features. The Rove R2-4K Pro Dash Cam records in stunning 4K UHD at 2160p at 30 fps and 2.5K at 60 fps. With Super Night Vision capabilities, this dash cam captures every detail, day or night. Enjoy crystal clear footage that ensures you never miss a moment on the road. Pair your smartphones with the latest dual-band 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi feature. Use the Rove Dash Cam app to easily view, download, and share your best videos with friends and family. The app also provides over-the-air firmware updates, ensuring your dash cam is always up to date. Equipped with a supercapacitor for extended product life, voice guidance, and alerts, this dash cam is packed with advanced features. The f1.5 aperture allows more light capture for small details, while the 150 degrees wide-angle 7 glass lens provides a broad field of view. It also supports loop recording and G-sensor technology. The R2-4K Pro offers a 24-hour custom-designed parking mode with 3 options: 1 FPS time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. If an event occurs while parked, the camera records a full 1-minute video and locks it in an event folder. Get voice alerts the next time you start your car. In conclusion, the Rove R2-4K Pro Dash Cam is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their driving safety and experience. With its 4K recording, advanced Wi-Fi connectivity, built-in GPS, and state-of-the-art features, it offers everything you need in a dash cam. Number 3. The Garmin Dash Cam 67U, a compact and powerful device designed to enhance your driving experience. This dash cam packs a punch with its advanced features and top-notch video quality. Let's dive into what makes this dash cam a must-have for your car. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W is pocket-sized and goes virtually unnoticed on your windshield. Despite its small size, it automatically records and saves video of incidents with precise GPS location, date, and time. This discreet device ensures you have essential footage when you need it most. With an extra-wide 180-degree lens, the 67W captures more of your surroundings. It records in 1440p HD with Garmin Clarity HDR optics, delivering crisp detail both day and night. Whether you're driving through scenic routes or busy streets, this dash cam ensures you capture every detail clearly. Use voice commands to control your dash cam effortlessly. Available in multiple languages, the voice control feature lets you save videos, start or stop audio recordings, and take still pictures hands-free. Stay focused on the road while managing your dash cam with ease. The parking guard feature monitors your parked vehicle and alerts you if an incident is detected. Access this feature and the live view remotely via the Garmin Drive app on your smartphone. Ensure your car's safety even when you're away, with real-time monitoring and alerts. Stay safer on the road with driver alerts like forward collision, lane departure, and speed camera warnings. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W also boasts a durable design that withstands harsh vehicle environments, including direct sunlight and hot interior temperatures. Drive with confidence, knowing your dash cam can handle it all. In conclusion, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their driving safety and convenience. With its compact design, stunning video quality, voice control, parking guard, and driver alerts, it offers everything you need in a dash cam. Number 2. The Nextbase 622W Dash Cam, a state-of-the-art device designed to offer superior video quality and advanced features. Whether you're on the road for daily commutes or long trips, this dash cam has you covered. Let's explore its standout features. The Nextbase 622W records in ultra-clear 4K at 30 fps, capturing finer details like number plates. You also have the option to record in 1440p HD at 60 fps and 1080p HD at 120 fps. With the rear camera module, it records in full HD at 1080p, covering multiple angles of your car. This dash cam features what 3 words integration, providing your precise global location even when offline. This is crucial for emergency services or friends trying to locate you quickly. It ensures you can always communicate your location accurately, enhancing your safety on the road. The 622W reduces vehicle vibrations and improves footage clarity for a smooth, crystal-clear image. This feature allows you to see finer details such as number plates and signs. The super slow motion capability lets you view footage in slow motion, capturing all critical details clearly. With a new sensor featuring larger pixels, the 622W improves video brightness and clarity in low-light conditions. The extreme weather mode lets you see through fog using inbuilt algorithms, ensuring clear images even in misty conditions. This dash cam is reliable in all weather conditions. With Alexa built in, you have access to tens of thousands of skills. You can play music, place calls, listen to audiobooks, check the weather, control smart home devices, get directions, and more. The HyperSync ultra-fast dual 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows seamless video uploads to your phone. In conclusion, the Nextbase 622W dash cam is a top-tier choice for enhancing your driving safety and experience. With its fantastic video quality, exact location recovery, image stabilization, enhanced night vision, and Alexa integration, it offers everything you need in a dash cam. Number 1. The Viofo A229 Dash Cam, a feature-packed device designed to offer top-notch video quality and advanced security for your vehicle. Whether you're driving during the day or night, this dash cam has you covered. Let's explore its standout features. The Viofo A229 Pro is equipped with dual Sony STARVI-S2 image sensors, supporting 4K resolution for the front camera and 2K for the rear. This dash cam captures smooth, cinematic quality videos that make reading license plates and capturing details effortless, day or night. It's your all-around security monitor. Thanks to the advanced HDR technology, the A229 Pro excels in low-light conditions. The wider dynamic range enhances the details by balancing highlights and shadows. This ensures clear license plate recognition during high-speed scenarios, providing the best night shots for both front and rear recordings. The A229 Pro offers 3 parking modes: auto event detection, low bitrate, and time-lapse. With a buffering function, the camera records 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after detecting motion. This flexibility helps conserve SD card storage while providing continuous protection. A hardwire kit is required for these features. Enjoy hands-free control with 12 voice commands, allowing you to take photos, lock videos, and more. The Dash Cam also provides clear voice notifications for settings adjustments and memory card issues. Manage your Dash Cam effortlessly without diverting your attention from the road, promoting safer driving. Connect your A229 Pro to the Viofo app using the faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi for easy configuration and video sharing. The advanced quad-mode GPS module integrates with multiple satellite systems for precise positioning. Review your vehicle's location, speed, and timestamps conveniently on your mobile device. In conclusion, the Viofo A229 Pro Dash Cam is an excellent choice for anyone seeking high-quality video recording and advanced features. With its dual STARVIS2 sensors, HDR night vision, parking modes, voice control, and Wi-Fi connectivity,